What is up, y'all? It's your boy AJ Got Kicks back at it again with yet another shoe video. And today, man, we got a lot of packages in the mail, man. You know what? Hold that thought.
Not two, not three, not four.
We got not one, not two, but three packages in the mail. As you can see, man, your boy got blessed, man. Your boy got blessed, man. But you know what, man? Let's go ahead and get into what all these three packages are. Let's go. Let's get it. As you can see, man, we got not one, not two, but three Yeezys in the mail. Man, smash the like button if you new. Hit the subscribe button, do all that good stuff down below. We coming with that more bangers, man. We coming with more bangers. As you can see, we got some more heat on the way. Them 11 things, we coming in. But you know what, man, without further ado, man, I know what y'all here for. As you can see by the title, let's go ahead and look what these look like. My first impressions, I ain't seen many of them in hand. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. Let's get to it. So just getting in the shoe, man, we got an all black exterior with the SPLY 350 going back. I don't know what it stands for. People say it stands for SPLY stands for St. Paul Loves You. I wouldn't know. I really couldn't tell you what it stands for. So going into the outer sole, man, we got that white boost right here. As you can see, that regular boost, and it says boost down here. It says boost down here. And we got the regular, just the regular all black outsole of the V2 colorway. On the medial side is just black on black on black, and this down here kind of looks kind of like you could see through it a little bit, but I don't even know what really like it's inside here, right here, you know. I don't really know, but it's not that full black. As you can see, like there's definitely a difference. It looks kind of grayish, really. It looks kind of grayish, but regardless, so we're going to the back. People love this pull tab. I don't really care for it. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, I mean, cool. But this one adds a good touch to it, since this is an all black shoe, and this little red hit here definitely, you know, ties in this. It definitely ties in this. So I think it's a good touch. I think it's a good touch. So, and then now we're looking on just the regular, you know, we got our sewn in right here. The toe box looks good. Shoelaces tied up like this. There's no extra laces. These aren't infinity laces. They look just like the 2017 version. Even though I've never seen them in hand, I just seen pictures. They look very, very similar to it. I think they look just like it. Also, we got the inside here. It says the Adidas Yeezy in white, as you can see. Really nothing else going on to the shoe. It's an all black shoe, but this is some heat. Like, I don't know, if you put this on with like Adidas track pants, them Tyro pants, I know for a fact that these are fire. Like, if you put these on feet, I know they're gonna look fire. Yeah, especially. What else I will talk about these? The resale price doesn't seem to be going as down as I thought it would. Like, these first start off before were like 800, 700, and then, you know, these were coming closer, then they went down to 400. But I thought that after release they like go down, dip down like 360, 350. I have not seen that. I have not actually seen that. I think they're gonna stay around this price, and they're even gonna go back up. I think they're gonna go up to like maybe 450, 500 like next couple months. I don't know. I could be tripping, but I definitely see these going up in price. So if you do have the capital, bro, I would definitely suggest holding on to these. That's what I'm gonna be doing with my other two pairs. I'm definitely holding on to these. Actually, I don't know. We just gonna have to see. We got to see if I can get a quick 4. Then, you know, I'm gonna have to let them go. But these, a size 11, these are actually my personal. The other twos are the small sizes, and I'm gonna have to, you know, the base sizes. You know how they go. It's gonna be gonna be a pretty penny. So I would suggest holding on to them if you can. Personally, but if you don't have the means, just go ahead and get your quick little 400, bro. Go ahead and get your quick little 360, 370. If you can't hold on, wait till they hit 5, or if they even don't go up, you can go resell it. But these are definitely a cop. I'm so glad I actually got my pair, my personal, because if I didn't, I would definitely have to trade for my personal. But I'm glad I hit mine for retail. I'm definitely glad I hit mine for retail. But really, I'll also say on this back here is definitely also reflective. That was also a touch onto it that I actually really liked after putting a flashlight on it. But other than that, there's really not that much else to talk about these shoes. Like, they're all black shoe with a little bit of red hits right here and in the back. Laces are cool, and you know, everything's good. I'm definitely satisfied. These are definitely people's top 3s. These with the zebras, maybe the belugas also in there too. So, you know, I really like these though. These are fire. These are fire. I'm glad I picked these up. But you know, we are definitely going after them 11s. I already got some couple pairs in pickup. We're gonna do another vlog for y'all. So make sure y'all stay tuned. We did the 9 vlog couple I think last video, might have been last video, yeah. So make sure y'all check that out. If you haven't checked that out, we're gonna do more vlogs and everything like that for these 11s. How y'all feeling about the 11s? Let me know down below too. I'm trying to get one for myself too. Most likely got one, but we gonna see how that goes. Other than that, man, I think that's it. As you can see, I'll give y'all one little 360 of the shoe, just real quick. One little 360 of the shoe. But without further ado, I mean, that's really it. Make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, all that good stuff down below, man. And you know, because I'm gonna keep bringing bangers for y'all. I promise, I'm gonna keep bringing bangers for y'all. But you know, I'm AJ Got Kicks, and I'm out.
Money might walk. I'm walking in with the drill. I got a fee on my hip. Promethazine what I sip. I'm out the lane. I just might trip.